Let's go from this to this, and here's how.
Basic tools needed to do tile work. For starters, you're gonna need a way to measure. So tape measure, way to mark it, pencil, marker. You're gonna need a Sharpie because a lot of these tiles you can't mark with a pencil, it just doesn't work. Speed square, make straight lines. Trowels. So you got a bunch of different types of trowels. You got V-notch, U-notch, square. It's pretty much a gauge for setting your tile to your wall or floor. So V-notch spreads the thinnest amount of thin set or adhesive.
What does that matter though, like on the sizing? If you want a thin layer?
Yes, so
is that your smaller format?
Every box of tiles is gonna give you their recommendation on what type of trowel to use.
Subscribe for more tips.